The word orgasm comes from the Greek word orgasmos, meaning swell or be excited. Sexually transmitted infections can be transmitted through oral, anal, and vaginal sex. The average length of the menstrual cycle is around 28 days, but it can vary from person to person. The clitoris can become more sensitive and engorged during arousal, similar to an erection. The ancient Chinese practiced a form of contraception called coitus interruptus, where the man would withdraw before ejaculation. The size and shape of the penis can vary significantly among individuals and ethnic groups. Some people can experience vaginal orgasms, which are believed to be triggered by stimulation of the internal parts of the clitoris. The ancient Greeks believed that the uterus wandered around the body and could cause various illnesses if not properly controlled. The term sexercise refers to using sexual activity as a form of exercise to burn calories and improve fitness. Sex can promote the release of endorphins, which can alleviate pain and boost mood. The average speed of a sperm cell is about 1 to 4 millimeters per minute. The ancient Romans believed that the scent of roses could enhance sexual pleasure. The world's first commercially available vibrator was created in the late 19th century as a medical device for treating female hysteria. The 69 position is considered a form of mutual oral sex, where both partners simultaneously perform oral stimulation on each other. The ancient Egyptians believed that the right testicle produced male offspring, while the left testicle produced females. The clitoris can become more sensitive after orgasm, making further stimulation potentially uncomfortable or painful. The ancient Greeks engaged in same-sex relationships and celebrated the beauty of the male body in art and literature. The term tantric sex refers to a practice rooted in Hindu and Buddhist traditions, focusing on prolonged sexual pleasure and spiritual connection. Sexual activity can boost self-esteem and body confidence by promoting feelings of desirability and attractiveness. The term sex therapy refers to counseling or therapy aimed at addressing sexual issues, enhancing sexual satisfaction, and improving sexual relationships. The concept of sexual consent emphasizes the importance of mutually agreed upon and enthusiastic participation in sexual activities. The ancient Romans used animal bladders as makeshift condoms. The average number of sperm cells in a single ejaculation is around 200 to 500 million. The ancient Greeks believed that the left testicle was responsible for conceiving girls, while the right testicle was responsible for conceiving boys. The term erogenous zones refers to areas of the body that are particularly sensitive to sexual stimulation, such as the lips, neck, nipples, and genitals. Sex can increase the production of antibodies in the body, which can strengthen the immune system. The concept of sexual orientation refers to a person's enduring pattern of romantic or sexual attraction to individuals of the same or different gender. The practice of polyamory involves having multiple consensual, intimate relationships simultaneously. Sex can improve sleep quality by promoting relaxation and releasing hormones that aid in restful sleep. Sexually active people tend to have stronger immune systems and fewer instances of colds and flu. The male and female sex organs develop from the same embryonic tissue until the 7th week of gestation. The brain releases dopamine during sex, which can create feelings of pleasure and reward. The clitoris can vary in size from a few millimeters to over an inch in length. The clitoris is partially internal and extends deep into the body. The term foreplay refers to sexual activities that precede intercourse and can enhance arousal and pleasure. The average number of times couples have sex per week varies widely, from a few times a month to several times a week. Sex can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Some people can experience sleep orgasms or nocturnal emissions during REM sleep. The ancient Romans used crocodile dung as a contraceptive. The practice of circumcision dates back to ancient Egypt and has both cultural and religious significance in various societies. The most sensitive part of the penis is the frenulum, located on the underside of the glans. Sex can help to relieve stress and promote relaxation by triggering the release of endorphins. In many mammals, including humans, the female is the choosier sex when it comes to selecting a mate. The risk of sexually transmitted infections can be reduced by practicing safe sex, including using condoms and getting regular STI screenings. The world's first known sex manual, The Perfumed Garden, was written in the 15th century by Sheikh Nefzawi. The average time between ejaculation and the ability to achieve another erection is known as the refractory period and can vary widely among individuals. The term sexting refers to the exchange of sexually explicit messages, photos, or videos via electronic means. The ancient Egyptians believed that masturbation and oral sex could lead to the creation of demons. The withdrawal method or pulling out is one of the oldest forms of contraception, but it is not highly effective at preventing pregnancy or STIS.